In a world where danger strikes from every direction. Fires rage through towering skyscrapers, trapping people high above the ground. Floodwaters swallow entire neighborhoods, leaving families stranded on rooftops. Every second counts, and too often, traditional rescue tools simply can't keep up. Ladders can't reach. Boats can't navigate. Roads disappear. In moments like these, lives hang in the balance, waiting for help that struggles to arrive. That's why we envision HoverLift. A revolutionary concept for an intelligent, anti-gravity rescue platform built to overcome every barrier. A machine designed not just for today's emergencies, but for the disasters of tomorrow. When a high-rise erupts in flames, and stairwells are engulfed in smoke, HoverLift deploys instantly. It ascends vertically, gliding with precision through thick smoke and chaos. Guided by advanced sensors that cut through heat and haze. Its magnetic docking arms extend outward like steady hands. They lock securely onto balconies and window frames, holding HoverLift perfectly in place. Then, with a seamless motion, fold-out ramps deploy in seconds, creating a stable bridge from danger to safety. Passengers step aboard, shielded inside a reinforced safety cage. Transparent and airtight, it seals automatically, protecting them from heat, falling ash, and debris. Even as flames roar and winds whip around the building, they remain secure, calm, and safe. Beneath it all, intelligent gyroscopic stabilizers keep HoverLift perfectly steady. No shaking. No tilting. Even in storm-force winds, its AI-driven balance system holds firm. Making every rescue smooth and controlled, a lifeline in midair. But HoverLift isn't built for fire alone. In an era of rising waters and relentless storms, it becomes something even more extraordinary. An airborne lifeboat. When cities flood and streets vanish beneath water, HoverLift hovers above the danger. Its underbelly glows softly as it maintains low hover precision. Flying effortlessly over submerged homes, wrecked cars, and swirling debris. Inside, the same protective safety cage seals shut, shielding passengers from rain, cold winds, and flying debris. HoverLift's AI charts the fastest route to high-ground evacuation zones, while stabilizers keep every landing smooth and safe. This is rescue without roads. No wheels. No traffic. No limits. Just pure, intelligent hovering precision, ready wherever it's needed most. HoverLift isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifeline. It's a vision of what emergency response could become. Faster, smarter, and built for a changing world. From burning towers to flooded cities, from stranded pets to trapped families. HoverLift adapts instantly, transforming impossible rescues into reality. In every emergency, speed, stability, and adaptability matter most. HoverLift unites all three in a single futuristic platform. This is HoverLift. Built for danger. Designed to save. Powered by the future. A concept that dares to imagine. When Earth fails, we rise.